Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the exact SMD microcontroller and its voltage needs, because powering wrong ruins the chip. Once done, solder a minimal breakout or clip, grounds first, then VCC, to expose reset and debug pins. Make sure your programmer or ST-Link enumerates. If it does not, check drivers and USB cable. You should also open your IDE and point toolchain to the MCU core and linker script now, so compilation can occur as soon as you write code. You now craft a minimal firmware. System clock, 1 GPO for an LED, and a simple delay loop. This proves basic peripherals. Then compile using correct MCU flags, linker script, and optimization. Once built, flash via SWD, JTAG, or the bootloader through UART. After flashing, monitor serial console or watch the LED heartbeat to confirm execution. If the device doesn't run, recheck clock source and reset line, then reflash, because boot configuration errors are the common culprits. You finish by integrating peripherals one at a time. Add I2C, then SBI, then ADC, so you isolate faults quickly. Make sure to enable brownout detection and a watchdog if the application needs resilience, because they prevent hangs in the field. After validation, save your programmer settings, pin mappings, and fuse bits in a single project file for repeatable flashing. If something goes wrong, use the programmer's erase plus mass erase option, then reflash a known good minimal firmware to recover the MC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.